What if I told you that AI is the ultimate manifestation accelerator for your business? Imagine combining the power of quantum principles with AI to supercharge your results faster than you ever thought possible. Sound too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how it works. I get it. You're a conscious coach and you've mastered the art of helping clients transform their lives. But when it comes to integrating AI into your business, that's where things get tricky. Maybe it feels too tech-heavy, too impersonal, like it clashes with the heart-centered, intuitive approach you bring to your work. You might be asking, how can AI fit into a business built on intuition and higher consciousness? Won't AI take away the human connection I have with my clients? Isn't AI just for big corporations, not for spiritual entrepreneurs like me? Here's the truth. AI doesn't replace intuition. It enhances it. And when you align AI with quantum principles, it doesn't help you scale your business. It helps you manifest success by collapsing time between intention and outcome. Let me show you exactly how AI can align with your quantum vision. Here are 3 AI prompts that can instantly simplify your coaching packages and amplify your results. First, the ideal client avatar clarifier. Ask AI, act as a conscious business strategist. Analyze my current client base and identify 3 to 5 common pain points, desires, and limiting beliefs. Provide insights that align with my coaching focus on and niche. This helps you get crystal clear on who you're serving and fine-tune your offers to speak directly to their needs so you can attract clients effortlessly. Next, the package structuring blueprint. Try this prompt. Act as a transformational business coach. Create a 3-tier coaching package that reflects my expertise in insert area. Structure it to offer increasing value at each level while aligning with my goal of insert desired transformation. This allows you to create high-value, intuitive packages that naturally guide clients through deeper levels of transformation. And finally, the quantum content calendar generator. Use this. Act as a manifestation expert and business strategist. Create a 30-day content calendar that blends quantum principles with practical insights, guiding my audience toward insert desired outcome. Include posts that balance inspiration, education, and engagement. This keeps you in alignment with your message while ensuring your content speaks directly to your audience's journey, building trust and authority effortlessly. If this is resonating and you're ready to accelerate your business results using AI and quantum principles, then you have to join my live Money Wounds to Wealth workshop. In this workshop, I'll guide you through identifying and healing money wounds that are blocking your success, so you can align your energy with abundance and allow wealth to flow effortlessly. You'll walk away with a powerful framework that combines inner work and inspired action. So don't miss out. Now I want to hear from you and tell me, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to integrating AI with your intuitive coaching business? I read every comment and can't wait to hear your thoughts. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level with more high-vibe, quantum-aligned strategies, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into using quantum principles to grow your business with ease. See you there.